Hello, I just had a 10x mentorship with Mr. Brandon Dawson. Hi, I'm Ria, and here are my 9 lessons learned on today's topic, People's PPFs, Personal, Professional, Financial Goals. Lesson 1. Brandon says we should say to our employees something like this: I'm trusting you to represent our brand. And if you want to excel in life, it starts with writing the letters. And one day, it will be you taking the phone calls from people that receive the letters. And one day, it will be you setting the appointment. And then one day, it might be you meeting them when they come walk through the doors. And then one day, it might be you running a team of people in hundreds of locations, writing letters, greeting people at the door, after taking the phone call and setting the appointments. And if you do it right, this little detail right, you do it every time, I will trust you to do the next detail and the next detail. And you can come build this thing with me, and then I will give you a piece of it. But if you don't pay attention to the details today, I won't ever be able to trust you to take care of our clients tomorrow. Lesson 2. If you are using brute force to build a business, the problem is, anytime you're cramming down on circumstances, situations, and people, you're always going to get resistance. Lesson 3. So what you need to do is find a way for those people to pull you up into success. And once you get 10 or 12 or 15 people, you can't manage all those people anyway. All you can hope for is that you have a good enough relationship with them, and they're aligned enough with where you want to go, and all the little granular things they're doing all day, they care enough to make sure it works, and it represents what your promise is, which is your brand. And this is how you message and advertise. Lesson 4. So when you hire a third party to do your marketing and advertising, it has nothing to do with the brand, it has nothing to do with the commitment, has nothing to do with the operational effectiveness and fulfilling that commitment, has nothing to do with the people that actually representing the message, and therefore, that's why nobody's marketing works when you hire third party who don't understand how to build the business itself. Lesson 5. So you just do a bunch of random things and hope that it figures it out. Lesson 6. It's like hiring the bookkeeper that's not really a bookkeeper. She was an accountant somewhere, and you think that she's doing your taxes, and then you find out you owe IRS a bunch of money, or you don't have any money, or your money was stolen, and then waking up and being a victim of circumstance. Lesson 7. Remember this: it's everything you don't know that you should know that's going to break your business. Lesson 8. The only way to know what you don't know is put yourself into a situation where you can grow your awareness, where you can be in an environment where people are talking like this and giving you little clues about what you should look for, how you should communicate what you should do, who you should do it with. Lesson 9. Learning to build a business is hard until you learn it, and then you build a business. So those are my 9 lessons learned. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also download a free section of my book, Apartment Prescription, in the link below. Take care and God bless.